Good morning. So we are back at it today for another day trip, and today we are starting our day off with seeing one of the most famous, actually I think it is the most visited natural site in Oregon.
And we're going to see waterfalls.
In case you don't know what this waterfall is, it's Multnomah Falls, and we are about to try to hike up to the bridge, the iconic bridge that hangs over the falls. Unfortunately, the thing that we came to see is closed. There were some hieroglyphs, I think they're called. Basically some carvings, like ancient carvings in a rock. But there is a trail that we believe is still open, so we're going to try to go to that next and go hiking. Although we had a very good time on that hike, I don't recommend going through the buttes with really young kids. Unless you have them like in a backpack. I was very nervous climbing down the rocks while holding Jensen. But if you've got older kids or if you're just with yourselves and adults, highly recommend going through the buttes. It's